The style you crave, the quality you want, the simplicity you need. The Regency Contura Ri50 freestanding fireplace is a natural addition to any modern space. Experience the ambience that only a wood-burning fireplace can provide, in a load it and leave it design that makes building and maintaining a wood fire easy. Enjoy the convenience of a guillotine-style front-loading window and the option of built-in storage for wood logs. Hear the crackle, watch the fire, share the comfort. The Regency Contura Ri50 wood-burning fireplace. It's easy to install and easier to enjoy. Choose your design at regency-fire.com.